Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Cork Auto Dealers. Today we have my favorite crossover on sale. This is the 2020 Ford Edge ST. Absolutely phenomenal SUV. My favorite on the market. I didn't do it. It's just such a phenomenal package. Tons of power. Stereo system's absolutely phenomenal. It's a Bang & Olufsen sound system. $50,040. This is agate black over ebony leather trim with suede. Just an absolutely phenomenal car. 2.7 liter V6 mated to an 8-speed. Yeah, 8-speed automatic transmission. Just an absolute riot to drive. And this is coming from the owner, well, previous owner of a Focus ST, and I definitely think this has the ST heritage. That was a big complaint. A lot of people, oh, that is cold. That was a big complaint. What did I just step on? Oh, there's just ice chilling in the footwell. There we go. That was a big complaint a lot of people had, was it's an SUV. It can't have the ST heritage. It can't be a sporty car. It honestly is. My second favorite would probably be the CX-5 with the turbo 4-cylinder, but this thing has that beat. There's your ST badging, panoramic sunroof. I am not opening that today. What is it outside? 17? Good. ST badging on the steering wheel. Same shifter as the Ford GT. Put it into sport, and we'll go for a drive. Over the snow. This is, of course, all-wheel drive. And this thing is just such a great overall package that I don't say this about a lot of cars, but I would consider buying one of these. They are that fun. I mean, okay, let me put it to you this way. If you daily drive a Mustang GT, you're gonna get in this and be like, yeah, it's cool, but no, this thing hauls, man. When you drive on a day-to-day basis, you know, I review 8 cars a day, so it takes, I've taken in a lot of different vehicles. It takes a lot for something to stand out, and this does. And that's what I love about my job, is I get to review all these cars and find out what is special on the market. I review almost every brand, so it's kind of nice to piece everything together and figure out what I like about certain cars. Big thing about this is your seating position. A lot of people who buy crossover small SUVs like this are looking for an up-high seating position. My seat's all the way down, and you can see, I can see the hood, I can see everything. A lot of people might want that lower down seating position. Being an ST, I kind of expected them to do so, but it's still very, very nice. And here is where the fun really kicks in, is with this 2.7. Nice and slow. I can't get enough of this thing. This is phenomenal. Absolutely great. Over the rough stuff, that was my biggest complaint with the Focus ST, is the suspension was just way too harsh. Let's see how this does. Obviously it's firmer than the normal Edge, but haha, it's not over the edge. Haha, puns. Those always get old. I'll go ahead. We'll use the paddle shifters. Rev matches down into first gear. Not a lot of transmissions do that. Every time I drive one of these, this is the third one I've driven. One extended, and then this is the second one on this new test route that I've developed. And I just can't get enough of them. They are just so fun to drive. You know, and stepping out of all these crossovers and stuff like that all the time, it takes a lot to stand out, and this does. Gotta love Boston and their traffic, but that's the other bonus. I put it back into sport. It's another huge bonus. It's comfortable in traffic. My ST wasn't. I'm a fan of manuals, do not get me wrong, but in traffic there is nothing like a good automatic. I'm starting to appreciate that. Actually starting to warm up nicely, to the point where I could barely drive the diesels. So as long as it starts to warm up, I'm okay with it. Can't get much colder. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Now it's gonna be -12 tomorrow. So you know what? I'm gonna change it up. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.